colouring, water, and that's it. So we don't have a lot of glue, but we're going to use like a quarter of glue. So put that into a separate.
You're making slime. I bagel last time.
So we're going to add the water into the bowl with the glue. Then you're going to stir. The glue and water, you're going to add a few drops of food colouring. We double the cup, so our glue for this one and our water was there, then you're going to double it and put it there. I'm going to tip that into here, to a separate bowl. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of borax. Put it in there and stir. Add the borax and water into the glue, water and food colouring. And this is the good part. Can you see? Now you've got to use your hands. And you've got to make sure it absorbs all the water in here. So it might take a while, so I'll leave the video once it's. When you finish, put it in a Ziploc plastic bag, and then when it's starting to get dry, put some water. It doesn't have to be like food colouring or anything, you just put normal water. Like really gooey and gross. Kind of feels like your intestines. I don't even know how that feels, but I know it probably feels like this. Letting it absorb all the water because it gets really, really sticky. I love making slime because it's a fun experiment for like all these like children, and it's like very fun to make. It's very amusing, and I just love the feeling. I love like taking it and doing this with it, and like me and my friend. Sometimes I get 2 pieces of slime and then I pull them down and see which one goes the lowest. Ooh, it's like all sticky and it's like gross. Comment down below, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed slime, putty, whatever you call it. Bye.